Only thing that keep you living is the Spirit of God. The church will tell you that you can lose the Spirit of God. That's a lie. When you lose the Spirit of God, you die. In Genesis, God created Adam and Eve. Adam was a dead being. God created two ways, with his words and with his hands. The only thing he created with his hands was man. He formed man out the dust of the earth. Adam was a dead being. The only thing that brought Adam to life was God breathing in his breath. See, people don't understand God operates off of vibration, frequency. When God got up and said, let there be light, do you think he'd get up every day and say, let there be light? No. Today, that word is still echoing and echoing and echoing and echoing. It's set in stone. So when he breathed his breath into us, that's the only thing that keeps us living. The first thing you do when it's time for you to pass away is you give up the spirit.